Hey guys, welcome back to Red Wine Fly. I'm Mike. We're back on the beautiful St. Joe River. Got my buddy Matt with me. Gonna get him fly fishing. This will be his first time ever throwing a fly in the river. He's done a little bit of nymph fishing in the Spokane area. Caught a couple red bands. On nymphs, we're gonna get him on a dry fly. See what having a fish rise to the fly is all about. Come join us, check it out. Got one. Got him. No, he's a nice fish. Yeah, my thinking is right in that area. I think you're gonna find that area to be the strongest. It's gonna do pretty good right there. I've hooked some just on my first cast right there. We got our first fish of the day. Got it right here. All right guys, as you can see on the west slope cuts, how they start to turn dark color. That's a beautiful, nice fish, dude, nice.
Zoom up,
There he goes. See ya, buddy. All right, guys, we're back on the road, off to the next hole. Caught a couple in the last spots. Matt caught his first two on dry flies.
Right on.
Yeah. It's cold, 45 degrees. Might be why the October caddis aren't working as well as they were, but we're gonna get the next hole, see what we can get. Feels like a decent fish. Maybe a little bigger than I expected him to be. Yeah, not bad. Little guy. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors on him. All right, bud. See ya. All right, guys. Back to a new hole. We're at a hole. Never been here before. I've always wanted to. You got to cross the river, but the road is right next to us. It's not like it's a big deal to get here. It's super simple. I've just never done it. But like I said, the road is right across from us. Matt's already in the water. We'll see if he can get something hooked. Go from there. I'm going to move down about 50 feet and I'll start throwing something too. We got one on. Here we go. Took a while. I kind of stopped recording because there was no action happening, but I finally hooked one. Looks like it's a decent fish.
Nice. It's like a 16, 18 inch.
Love this 4-weight. Oh my gosh, I love this 4-weight.
Make you work for him. He's tired, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah, he's got to be tired. There's some really nice reds on him.
Yeah. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Holy crap, on a
Nice.
4-weight.
Nice fish. Very, very, very nice fish. All right, here we go, buddy. Here you go. Nice fish. Hell yeah.
It's a happy fisherman.
That shit's awesome. Hey guys, so we weren't getting any hits throwing on top. I switched over to a nymph and we at least picked something up at this hole. And then I just go push the tip up, see watch how I'm rolling my, see how I just rolled it?
Okay.
Gets the fish in the net. And a nice little cut. There we go. Let him out. See, dude. All right, guys. So, got it right back in the water, and I got a second fish. So this is doing pretty good. I think I found the nymph that they're liking. See if I can get this guy to cooperate and come right back in pretty quick. Just like that, fish in the net. Heck yeah. Another one in the net. Come on, buddy. There we go. Still a pretty little cut. That's it, bud.
What are you using?
Using a nymph. Using this guy. Right there. Working well. Looks like I'm about 1.5 times the depth. So I have it dialed in pretty well. 2 casts, 2 fish. Let's get back in the water and get some more. This guy's a little bit nicer. I gotta keep him away from the logs over there.
3 fish.
It feels really, really nice.
3 casts on the nymph. Mike is killing it.
He's coming toward us.
Okay, that's a good fish.
Come on, buddy. Come by the current. Come over here. We'll get you out. You don't seem that crazy big. He's fighting really well. Oh, hey. Ho, ho. Cuts don't jump much. Here, bud. Just open them up now. There we go.
Beautiful.
Nicer fish. Another one in the net. This guy's nice. Not as nice as that really big one I caught earlier today, but this is still a very, very nice fish. One thing I found, a lot of people put your fingers underneath and just cradle the fish. And they usually will stay pretty mellow for the time because it's like they're rubbing their belly on the bottom. So it's very nice on the fish. Want me to net him for you?
You practice.
Heck yeah, dude! Oh, there you go. Fish in the nets. Yes. All right, let's see this fish. Let's see how she looks. Yeah, that's a nice cut. Lift him up a little more. There you go. Nice fish.
There she goes.
Gone. This is number 4 for me in this hole with the nymph. It's a good day for nymphing. Got him on right in front of me. See if I can get him in. Nice fish. Nice fish. This one might be more red than the others we've seen. Oh, dude.
Nice.
This might be the nicest fish today. Might not be the biggest, but I think he's going to be the prettiest. Hold up. How are the colors? Oh,
Gorgeous, bro. Look at that guy.
Oh, what a beautiful fish. Oh, nice. What a nice cut.
Good.
Look at that fish. Just beautiful. Beautiful fish. All right, let's get him back in the water. It's been a very nice day so far. I think we both have gotten about 6. I got 4 on the nymph in that hole alone. It's time for some food.
What I fucking tell you, dude?
First cast.
Told ya.
Fish on. Beautiful. Did it come off? Is he there?
Still there.
Nice. Want me to net him for you?
I got it. Tiny little bit on that.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Let's get her going. Gone.
Do you want a split shot?
No, I'm good. How'd that feel?
Great, first cast.
All right, guys, it's about 5 o'clock. It's getting close to pumpkin time. We're heading towards town, coming back down the river along the St. Joe River Road. We're gonna hit a couple more holes, 2, maybe 3 if we're lucky enough before it gets too late. All right, guys, so we're in a new spot now. This place looks so nice. I haven't thrown here before. We gotta check this out. Hopefully we can hook something. I'm gonna stick with the nymph because it was working in the last hole about a mile up the road. I think Matt's doing the same thing. He's way back there behind me, heading up. I think he sees a spot up there that looks really, really good. So we're gonna hang out here. Let's see what we get. There's a fish. There's a fish. All right, let's get this guy in the net. Kind of a smaller fish in the net. Nice. Let's go ahead and let this guy go. Nice fish. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful cut. Fantastic colors. Just beautiful. All right, guys. It's been a kick-ass day. We caught, 10 fish each?
Probably,
Yeah, 10 fish each. Fantastic time.
It's been great.
What was your favorite spot?
3 spots ago, where we caught about 4 each on the nips.
Yeah, that's a real cool hole there.
Oh yeah.
That's one of my favorites.
I'm just glad you had 2 of those.
3 on 3 casts.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Have a have a wonderful time, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll catch you later. See you next time.